How to download game faster on PS5. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the homepage of your PS5. Enter your login credential and then sign into your specific account. Let's say you are now downloading one game and it's taking too long to complete. In order to make it faster, you will have to do few things over here. First of all, at the bottom left, click on Switcher. You have to close all of your background or recent games. Click on the game and then click on Close Game. Once it has been done, it might download the game faster than before. Now the next thing you want to do is head over to your download section. Click on the game that is on the process and then click on Pause. Now once again click on it and then click on Resume. Well, if you pause and resume the download, it might download faster than before. The other thing you want to do is click on the power button at the bottom right and then click on Enter Rest Mode. What it does is, even if you are on the rest mode, the download will still be on the process. Also, you need to make sure that you stay connected to the internet access, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download a game faster on PS5. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.